Doing an overnight with the Winkler Utility Knife. Started out about 8:30 p.m. and hiked for about 10 miles or so. Found a nice little spot by the river. Not the smartest location, but I am waiting for the view. It's about 12:30 a.m. right now, so let's get this show started. That's different. Well, let's try my Mora. Back to the Winkler. Alrighty then. Alright, round two with the Winkler Utility, trying to get this fire started. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to. Trying to get anything sparked off here, so did a little bit more fire prep. Let's hope this one works. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on, keep going. The Winkler Utility, thanks to Tom Dara. It's a pass around. It's a pretty interesting knife so far. Tell you more later. Bye. Well, Bushcraft USA and anybody else watching, I'd say this knife is a go for striking fires. It's a little bit difficult for cutting softer woods, in my opinion, due to the very, very aggressive V edge into the tiny, 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 tiny little sharpened portion. My experience so far, though, is it has worked really well with harder woods such as maple and cherry that I've played with. It cut really well through those. Did not really like playing with the poplar or what do you call it? Cottonwood, as most people call it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.